Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm looking at dividend investing and I'm looking at this stock here, AGNC. All right? So the PE ratio is 3. What? That's insane. Dividend yield 8.5%? Whoa, this is the deal of a lifetime. Wow, look at this. Earnings is still good, looking good. All right, these guys are an investment corporation, an investment trust. Residential mortgage-backed securities, leveraged. So they could have a problem if the housing market takes another dump like it did in 2008. You can see it was founded in 2008 because a lot of other companies didn't do so good. So it was probably restructured from another company, but it looks pretty good now, and the PE ratio is outstanding. Dividend of 8.5%, that's crazy. All right, guys, look, for the last 5 years, you can see it's been up as high as $22, $21 a share. It's now 16. It's had a little bit of a low back here, but still wasn't that low. $12, not bad. All right, only $4 off. So I think this is a good buy right now. So I'm going to trade. I'm going to buy $100 worth of this company. I'm going to swipe up. Robinhood market order. It's sending the order. It's thinking about it. All right, we've got it. Now, I can build the portfolio over time. Not sure if I want to set up an automatic investment on this one. Maybe I should. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe for more dividend investing and wealth building techniques on my channel. It's pretty cool. Maybe I should. Let's see what we do here. Let's do every 2 weeks. And let's go with Robinhood and go with the backup account. I'm gonna do $5. All right, swipe up. All right, send that order in, and that will join my AT&T stock that I have. Let's go back here and look. We can take it off of this list now, as per what I usually do. All right, so it's off the watch list, and it's on the real list. So let's go back up. You can see I have recurring investments in AT&T and now AGNC every 2 weeks. Okay, so just a quick review of the portfolio here. A couple of the dividend stocks that I've got. AT&T's in there. It's a good one. All right, and some gas, ET, Shell, natural gas type stuff. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think, and we'll do a portfolio review real soon, and how much did I make in the month of June. All right, guys, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.